How much traffic required to earn $100 day by AdSense? Earning $100 a day by display ad price. Basically, Google AdSense is a Google for many first times. Look into what's required to get this done. For many people, $100 a day is a special mark that when for many websites were not a site or bunch of site is a earning engine to qualified as a full-time income. This is a mark where even if that not full-time income for where a person is a living, it's a very solid amount of money for many life challenge. Just how much traffic does it take to earn $100 a day with AdSense? The answer is different for every site. However, there are ways to look at the next month and learn how to look at this question. Knowing the exact amount of traffic makes it possible to clearly figure out daily traffic need and get a rock solid goal shoot for. Just how much traffic does it take to earn $100 with AdSense? The answer different for every site. However, where ways to look this match and learn how to look at this question.